Yo. So guys, we've been playing around with script kiddie stuff, with the brute forcing and everything. So today I'm going to teach you how to install Metasploit on your Termux. All right? And to do this, what is Metasploit firstly? Just imagine that as like Batman's belt with all the tools in it, scanners, vulnerabilities, exploits, payloads, you know, or everything. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install stable repo. I've already installed mine, because I tell you honestly, it takes fucking forever to install. Okay. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna install package, install Metasploit. Okay, for now you don't need to know what is Metasploit if you don't really understand, but trust me, in the upcoming tutorials, you love Metasploit. Without Metasploit, you can never be a hacker. Okay? So, awesome. Now all we have to do, because mine install fast because, I already have it, but yours will take a while. So once you're done, type MSF, which is Metasploit Framework Console. And ready? Voila. Hang on. So we can do this without rooting our phone. We can just run it off Termux. As you can see, starting the framework console. It takes a couple of seconds. And there we go. So for example, we can search FTP scanner and you'll find it. Look, we have so many versions of it. Post window, FTP, anything, So, okay, search exploit for VNC. You see? So we have everything. We can do payloads, we can do everything. So this, I won't be demonstrating anything in this tutorial because this is really just to show you guys how to install it. And we will be needing it in the future tutorials. So guys, hope that was fuck my spelling, right? That was easy. You know what I'm going to say next. Have a nice day. Yo.